These are clean. I'm not gonna lie, these are clean. Underrated. Today we'll be unboxing a very, very underrated shoe. If you guys don't know about Undefeated, they're basically a brand. They've collaborated with Nike a few times. This collaboration is called Dunk versus Air Force One, and by that I mean they also created a dunk, a collaboration with Nike in terms of a dunk. I'll show a picture right now, but I'm not going to be unboxing the dunk because I don't have it, but I'll be unboxing the Air Force One, or at least one of the most underrated, at least for me. I think it's one of the most underrated Air Force Ones out there. Okay, well, I'm going to be discussing a little bit about the box before I unbox it. So, white Nike logo, Nike and Undefeated. Nothing on there, just a couple information on the bottom, and then again the Undefeated logo, and then my size is a size 9.5. Retail is right there. Okay, well, now let's get into the shoes and the unboxing. Here is a special paper that comes with the shoes. Again, the Dunk versus Air Force One Undefeated collaboration, just right there. This is the colorway that I say is the most underrated. The thing that I think makes these so underrated is because not that many people buy this one, or at least this pair. Like, the price right now for these are like super low, under retail, and for what it's worth, it's honestly a really good shoe in my opinion, especially given it's a collaboration. Like, a lot of collaborations, they tend to go up in price, but for this one, amazing price you can get right now, amazing quality, embroidered Undefeated logo right here. I think this is crocodile pattern. I don't think it's crocodile, most likely. I may be wrong, but that's what I'm assuming. A white patent leather swoosh. The quality on this is amazing. It's honestly amazing. I do not know what this is. It might be canvas. I am not. You can't go wrong with an Air Force. And then the mustard yellow outsole, it just complements the shoe so well. And then white here, it balances out the color scheme. The logo right here, Undefeated. And then in the back, it's just Nike Air. Take this out. There's a special insole logo which says Dunk versus Air Force One. Guys, if you do not have an Air Force, I would highly recommend getting this as a pair, or at least your first pair, because for the quality and build, for the collaboration, and the colorway, I personally love it. People can not like it, that's your opinion, but for me, you can't go wrong with this. Summer. This would be a good summer shoe. I'm gonna do a close-up on these, and then afterwards, we'll get into the on feet.